How to start affiliate marketing free. In this video, I'm going to give you 7 steps that you can follow so that you can start doing affiliate marketing 100% free starting today if you really want to. Now, let's get into it. So just before we get stuck into the video, just to let you know, if you subscribe and comment on this particular video and on this channel, then you will have the opportunity to win the draw at the end of this month, okay? We give out a prize pool of over $1,200 worth of prizes. That includes cash, training, and YouTube channel reviews to help you really build your business and get discovered online, because that's what I love to do. So in this video, we're going to be talking again about the 7 steps on how to start affiliate marketing 100% free. Now, the very first step that you want to take is to choose a niche. Now, this might seem obvious for those of you who've been around, but stick with me, I've got some better stuff for you later on. For those of us who are just getting started and trying to figure the whole game out, what you really want to do is pick a niche. Now, there is a mistake that a lot of people make of actually choosing markets as opposed to niches. Now, let me tell you, the internet world has been online for quite some time now, and markets are dominated by big, huge, gigantic brands, making it almost impossible for the smaller entrepreneur to try and compete with those particular things. So what you want to do instead is you want to create yourself a niche, and you want to really become the authority at that particular topic. So say, for example, health is a huge topic, but you might want to get into organic health. That is a niche, right? And then you can even go further. If it's a gigantic market, if it's a gigantic niche, you can go sub-niche, for example. So you could go health, organic green health, just as an example, okay? You could go fitness, or you could go weight training, you could go plyometric training, right? You could go into basketball training, gym, weight training. There are so many different ways that you can go about doing things. If you're unsure of a niche, a very quick tip for you is to go ahead and have a look at Clickbank, have a look at Amazon. Now, if you've got an actual tab, that's a market, but when you click on the tab and it brings down all those different options, those are your different niches. Now, you have to think about this. Amazon is one of the biggest online retailers in the world. If they have a market, it means it's huge. If they have a niche, it also means that it's huge because it's actually gained enough attraction and it's made them enough money to be able to actually note it as a niche to make it easier for their customers to discover what it is that they're trying to find. Step number 2 is to create yourself a YouTube account. And this is the free part of the how to start affiliate marketing 100% free. People don't realize how powerful YouTube is. It is the biggest second search engine in the world. So that means that other than Google, nobody else goes to any other website to search for stuff and information and than YouTube. There is so much content being uploaded that I'm not going to bore you with the statistics, but you can probably check out this little graph right here just to give you a quick idea of how big YouTube really is. Now, this is why my focus for 2018 and probably beyond will be video marketing via YouTube. There is so much potential in YouTube. A lot of YouTube has been forgotten because so many people are distracted by the new shiny objects, and those new shiny objects being Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, so on and so forth. The social media websites are powerful, but that's not how I choose to use them. The bulk of my money that I make comes from YouTube, right? Especially in my history, not just in the expertise space, but in other niches as well. I've found that creating valuable content and putting it out there on YouTube has really helped me gain traction in a market, become an authority, and to really start raking in some money. Step number 3 is to research affiliate marketing programs. And just to give you a quick example, this is what you can do. You can very easily go to Clickbank, then you click on Marketplace, and then you'll see all of those categories down the side. Those things are markets. And then what you can do is you click on them and it'll go down further into niches, right? Now, when it comes to affiliate programs, you don't necessarily need to go into a niche unless you're promoting a very specific product. You can actually promote a market product, a very standard product. So for example, if you're in health and fitness, you could very easily promote a product around green foods, okay? If you're in the online marketing space, you can promote anything from, search engine optimization to business opportunities to coaching to mentoring. There are courses. There are a lot of different things that you can promote depending on what space you're actually in. That's your job to find out exactly what that is. But how you go about doing it is you can check on Amazon, you can check on Clickbank, you can check on JVZoo, depending on which one you'd like to actually do yourself. And you want to do some research into the different programs that are available. You want to find out what necessarily the terms are of the way that you can actually promote, because some products, for example, don't allow you to cross promote, meaning that you can only promote their product and their product alone, and you can't promote any other product. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't like being limited like that. So for those particular things, I would honestly recommend you stay behind. But the best and easiest thing to do, a lot of products on Clickbank, the vendors understand that, you know, you're probably going to promote other products at the same time, and it's not too much issue. It's only if you choose to go into a more high-end affiliate program, then you might run into some things there where you really need to look out for. So when you're starting out, go into Clickbank, check out the programs that they have for your particular niche, right? And have a look at all the different products. Look at the pricing points, look at what they have to offer, purchase a few things yourself and see what it is that actually resonates with you. Because you don't just want to flog a product out there just because you think it's fine. Now, for me, for example, I do a fair bit of personal development. I could very easily promote any product I want on Clickbank, but at the end of the day, there are only certain people that I really resonate with their message. You know, people like Bob Proctor, right? These are the kinds of people, Tony Robbins, that I would like to be associated with my name, that I know for a fact that if people were to click on my link and they go and purchase, they'll be happy with that purchase. So I might not get as many sales because I'm not promoting as many different programs, if you will, but trust me, it'll pay off long term, right? Because you're building good value. Every time you recommend something, it's actually worthwhile. So people are actually going to be more inclined to listen to what it is that you have to say. So step number 4 is to create valuable content. Now, this is a very obvious one, right? But now you've got your product that you want to promote, you've got your YouTube channel set up, you know exactly what niche you're going to be in. So step number 4 is to go ahead and create valuable content. This video, for example, is what would be classified as valuable content because I'm actually showing you exactly step by step how to start affiliate marketing 100% free, especially here in 2018 and beyond, right? So this is usually stuff that you would have to pay perhaps maybe a $17 for an ebook or $47 for an e-course, but I'm giving you the information 100% free. Why? Because I believe in goodwill. I believe that if I teach you enough that you'll go and be successful, and in being successful, you'll want to learn more. You'll purchase my courses, you'll purchase my coaching, you'll subscribe to my channel and maybe share your friends and perhaps maybe they'll get involved, okay? So I believe very much in goodwill. I believe in leading with value and that you'll get tenfold of what it is that you give, right? You might not get it immediately, but it's just a matter of time. It's a belief and it's a formula. It's content marketing at its finest. You lead with value and the money comes later on. Now, I know I'm not out there like a lot of people where I go and I'm trying to prospect people and I'm trying to hustle for my sales and all that sort of stuff. I don't necessarily believe in all that, nor do I want to bother people every single day having fake conversations of how they are and where they actually live, right? What I would rather do is connect with people, see what it is that they're actually doing and how can I help? How can I provide information that's valuable? Now, you need to do the same thing. To go back to our example of being in the health or fitness regime, if you're in health, for example, you might want to put together a video, the 7 benefits of spirulina. And then at the end of that video, then you can recommend the product that you've actually found as an affiliate program that you're going to promote, right? And then that's how you make your commissions because you've just educated people on the value of spirulina. And now they're going to want to find a product based around spirulina, right? Or a product that has spirulina or a product that might be even better for them, okay? So that's a way of creating valuable content. You want to entertain people and you want to give them information at the same time. So step number 5 is building an audience. And this one might seem like a very, very obvious one, but honestly, a lot of people miss this because it's so damn simple. So what a lot of people do is they focus on how much money they're actually making. Now, I'm telling you now, don't fall in love with the results, fall in love with the process, okay? Once you fall in love with the process, it's just a matter of time before you generate enough momentum to be able to make a lot of money. Because if you just continue to focus on, oh, today I only made $5 or yesterday I didn't make anything, I haven't made anything at all this week, you know, 95% of people who attempt this online marketing thing don't make any money at all, right? And I was shocked by this because I made money within a few weeks. But that's because I went about it the different way. I led with value, right? And that's the beauty of content-based marketing that you can now implement because you're aware of it, right? Most people just aren't taught the right way of going about doing things. So what I would tell you to do, again, is fall in love with the process and focus more on building your audience. So for YouTube, for example, I always encourage people to subscribe to my channel. And then at the end of the video and throughout the video, I'll offer some free training below that people can check out in the comments and in the description if they would like to learn even more about this business. In doing so, I'm actually building an audience, right? I'm building a tribe. I'm building a following that people will actually come to me and go, yep, this guy knows his stuff. I like his style. I want to learn more. Please, and they put up their hand and they say, can you please coach me? You know, can I please purchase your course? And then you send out your links and that's how you really start making some money. Because the thing is until you build a big enough audience, you're always going to be struggling to making money. So you want to focus on that first and foremost by leading with value, encouraging people to subscribe, encouraging people to consume your videos, your content, whatever the case may be for you. You can apply this strategy 100% through blogging, right? We're just talking about YouTube today. So you encourage people in the videos on exactly what it is that they should be doing to follow your formula. So the sixth thing that you want to do is to promote the actual offer itself. A lot of people put out valuable content and then they forget to actually give a call to action at the end. Now, a call to action is giving people very specific instructions that you want them to follow. So what you want to do is once you educate people, obviously if they're there at the end of the video, then they're sticking around for a reason. They like you, they like what you're all about, and they want to learn more. So then you got to tell them very, very specifically, go ahead and check out in the description or in the comments below my free training so that you can learn more about this particular topic. Or for example, if you're actually selling a product instead of promoting like subscribing like I do, then what you would want to do is say, hey, look, if you enjoyed this video, the 7 tips on spirulina, I've got a product below that you're going to absolutely love. Go ahead and click on the link and go ahead and check it out. This food is 10 times more powerful than spirulina itself. Even though it has spirulina in it, it has added elements that spirulina does not. And it's going to be much, much better for your health. Go ahead and check that out now. And then they'll click on the link, they'll go to wherever it is that you've sent them, and if they like it and they purchase, you get a commission, okay? So that's how you go about starting affiliate marketing 100% free. So the seventh and final step is to rinse and repeat. This might seem simple enough, but a lot of people stop, right? So for example, they'll put out a video, they don't get the results they want, and they quit, right? At the end of the day, what you want to build is a digital marketing agency. You want to build a hoard of information that's out there collecting money for you every single day, even while you're sleeping. That's the beauty and that's the power of doing online marketing. So here's what you really want to do. Once you found a process, right, and you follow these 6 steps that I'm telling you, then you go back and repeat. Now, obviously, there's 3 or 4 steps that you don't have to do. So you just go ahead and do it again. Create valuable information, promote affiliate products, create valuable information, promote products, right? And then you just keep rinsing and repeating. And eventually, as you build more and more information, as you put more and more value out there on YouTube, more and more people will subscribe, more and more people will see you as an authority, and the valuable information that you're really sharing with them and really mark you up as the man, if you will, okay? And then at that particular point, they're going to come to you for advice. They're going to turn to you for solutions, and you'll gain an influence over them where you'll be able to sell without even trying, okay? Because you've gained such a sphere of influence, all right? So look, thank you so much for checking out this video. Make sure you subscribe. Check out the further training below that I've got you. I've got a 4-part video series that's going to teach you everything you need to know about online marketing and introduce you to a bonus package worth $26,000 between me and my mentor just to help you get started in your online marketing business. All right, so take care, much love. Helping entrepreneurs get discovered online is what I do. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.